Welcome. Here is a quick tutorial on how you could submit information about businesses on Main Street, past or present. Click on any business. Over on the side, you can see where it says Submit Information here. And what you will be doing is filling out a Google form. You'll put your first name in and then your last name. But if you look at the top in the red, those are questions that are required. Any other questions that do not have that are not required. And we'd like your phone number and your email address. And it is optional to put your date of birth. Then if you put the business name and the business address, and if you know when it was established, the business, you can put it in or just type in unsure. And if you know the business owner, if not, type in unsure. And how you were affiliated with the business. And if you know any history, you can type it in here. We're also looking for memories, and you can type that in here as well. And if you'd like us to interview you with an audio, we will. Click here, and then if you have any other information, and then you click submit, and we will be in touch with you. And here you can submit more entries. Thank you.